Disney, I want to try out your service, but this keeps happening. But hey, at least you made me $400 today, so thanks for that. Yeah, so Disney Plus is a great product, or so I hear. I guess I'll find out in a little while, but it made me $400 in the stock market today, and I'm going to go over that process with you guys in just a sec. But first, I want to welcome you to this channel. Hi, my name is Brad, and this is Own the Chaos. The world of business and finance is crazy and chaotic, and I've made it my mission to help you own it. So if you want to see more content such as this, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, because I put out content every single day of the week, except for Saturdays, because we all need a day off, right? Now, getting on to today's topic is Disney. And so talking about Disney was part of the Stockwatch Sunday watch list. If you guys aren't familiar with Stockwatch Sunday, I go live every Sunday night at 8:30 p.m. Eastern time, and Disney was on the watch list for this week. And the reason for that being was the Disney Plus streaming service that is being provided and that actually launched today. Now, there are some complications with the Disney Plus service right now, and they're experiencing an overwhelming demand, and it essentially has crashed the service. So it's been a wild ride in the stock market so far. So I'm going to go over why I saw value at the price point that I did on Disney, and why I was able to capitalize and make $400 by sharing you my screen here, which is WeTradeHQ.com. So if you've never been to WeTradeHQ.com, it's a great platform for people to learn and grow and celebrate each other's success. It's a platform made for traders. So, and really for beginners, novices, if you will, and even veteran traders. We designed WeTradeHQ to be the place for you, no matter where you're at in your trading career. So looking here, you can go here and search your favorite ticker. Mine today is Disney. It's absolutely free, by the way. If you want to check it out, feel free to do so. So looking here at Disney, you can see that there was a significant drop off as it compared to the close yesterday. And the reason for that being was because of this crash that occurred on Disney. But I chose to capitalize on that. I told my folks within my morning mentorship, I said, hey guys, listen, look, right here at 136 area looks to be a good spot for it to bounce. Sure enough, it did. Was able to grab some at 137 and then sold into the 139 range. As you can see here, it came all the way up to 139, broke through that resistance at 138 flat, and then just kept on riding until about 139.95, 139.35, sorry about that. And, you know, it's still climbing. Now, I sold some of my shares, but I still have a few here. I'm curious to see as to where this goes. This momentum looks very good. Bollinger Bands seem to be tightening up. And so, you know, we're in a little bit of an area of consolidation. After this crazy run up, I think that we could see a nice little run. Now, if I come back out here on the 4-hour chart, it looks to me that 140 seems to be a really tough area for resistance. So if it breaks through that, which is why I held on to some more of my shares, that I think that we see some pretty nice movement on this one. As you can see, my KST indicator, my no sure thing indicator, looking like it's pretty wide open here on the 4-hour chart. That's what I'm trading off of. And so I'm very happy with this trade up to this point. If it continues to get rejected at 140, then I'll sell out and just take the rest of my profit and be on about my day. But I really want to see if that can break it for sure. I think it has the potential to do that. And so that's just from the technical side. Now, again, if you're on WeTradeHQ, you can click on over to the news to see what's going on with Disney. And you can see here, Disney Plus suffers some technical difficulties at launch. And so you click on that link, and this is where it brings you to. Disney's brand new streaming service, Disney Plus, may be a victim of its own success. The $7 a month service, offering an array of Disney classics and new shows, suffered some technical difficulties hours after launching at 3 a.m. Eastern time on Tuesday. The problem started a little before 7 a.m. according to downdetector.com, a website that tracks outages. It receives more than 8,000 reports of difficulties, mostly with video streaming, others reporting problems logging in. Disney is working on resolving the issue after consumer demand exceeded its expectations, said spokeswoman Karen Hobson. The company did not say what caused the problem. So this was an initial knee-jerk reaction. investors sold out because they saw that Disney was having problems. But I think what the key takeaway here was that they received a higher demand than they were expecting, which is good. When you're thinking about it long term, you say, okay, well, Disney's going to take care of this problem. It's not really the end of the world. And so this was a classic case of buy the effing dip on other people's emotions. It squeezed right back up. And again, I think that we could definitely see this break over 140 for sure if this momentum continues. Now, even though this might seem like it's a short video, I have been recording for quite a while because I have several outtakes, as you probably could imagine. But I'm still waiting to hear from Disney. I want to use their product. I want to let you guys know how it is, but it's not really loading. So I don't know what's going on with it. Hopefully they get this figured out soon. But as an online business owner myself, it's nice to know that, I'm not the only one that has these kind of buggy problems. So if Disney's having them, then I kind of feel a little bit better about myself as my business develops and grows. And speaking of my business, if you want to go check it out, it is over at WeTradeHQ.com. WeTradeHQ.com is absolutely free, guys. You want to go check that out. You want to become a professional day trader, or maybe just a novice trader, something to make some side money, go check out WeTradeHQ.com. We have plenty of tools and resources available to you that not a lot of other places have for free. And we do have paid services that are in there, and I'm going to get into that in just a sec. But, if you want to go check that out, you can search your favorite tickers, talk about them amongst your friends, do your due diligence, do your technical analysis through our integrated trading view charts, which are pretty state of the art. And, all the news is there. We designed it to just be a place where you could just utilize all that information and just stay under one roof. And so go check it out. Again, it's WeTradeHQ.com. And then also check out my mentorship, where I go live with folks from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern time. It's a great community to be part of. It's a little community inside of a community, if you will. And so I go live via video chat from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. But then I'm also with you throughout the entire day, throughout the entire trading day, to help you with any questions or insights or what have you about your trading strategies. And so if you want to go check that out, the links are down in the description below as well. And hopefully Disney gets their act together. I would love to be able to use their product and kind of let you guys know how it is. And if you want me to do that, I would be happy to do a Disney Plus review. It probably would be my first review video that I would ever do, but I'm curious. I really want to know what it's like, and I want to hear from you guys. Leave me some comments down below if you want me to do a review on Disney Plus whenever it starts working, or if you would like to just give me your thoughts on the Disney Plus product and how this is going to impact other streaming services. Do you think that Netflix is going to take a major hit because of Disney Plus and Apple and Amazon, all these other streaming services that are creating so much competition? For me personally, I don't think it's going to actually take customers away from Netflix. I think Disney Plus is such a cheap service that when you combine Netflix and Disney Plus, it's only $20 a month. I mean, this is the way of the future. I think a lot of network television is going to die, and I think it already is. But, when you combine a lot of these streaming services, they end up costing as much as cable TV. So, and a lot of these streaming services are better than cable TV. They have better shows, better TV without commercials. And I think this is the way that a lot of people are going. I don't really even have cable TV anymore. I just use Netflix and a couple of streaming services for sports, and that's about it. If I want to go watch my favorite sports team, I just go to the bar down the street and watch it with my friends. So I think this is the way of the future as far as entertainment and streaming entertainment is concerned. I think we're going to go from eventually network television is going to leave. But anyways, those are my thoughts. I really want to hear yours, so leave some comments down below. And that's going to do it for me, guys. Again, I thank you so much for tuning in. And as always, I will see you all before the bell. And B. Smith is out. It has been a tough year for the OTC market as a whole. I'm going to go into reasons why I think the OTC might be in for a rough road ahead coming up.